Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys what I bought at Bath & Body Works. I literally went today and I rushed home to film this because they're having a candle sale. And I feel like everybody knows they're having a candle sale because the lines are massive. And if you didn't know they're having a candle sale, now you know. So you have one more day to go pick up these candles. The candles are $11.95, guys. $11.95, and usually they're I think $25 or like $30. They're not cheap. So this is an amazing save. It's perfect for like gifts and just your own house, your own room, all of that. So I'm going to show you guys what candles you need. I'm going to give you like a complete guide to the scents and all of that. So I got you. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, turn your post notifications on, and let's get into the video. So yeah, the lines were massive. Like, people are not playing about these candles, and I waited an hour and a half in line. Like, it was no joke, but I was dedicated. Your girl was dedicated and committed. I waited there for an hour and a half by myself. My boyfriend wasn't with me, nothing. Like, I was by myself just waiting, and I got the candles. I picked up quite a few, and honestly, I expected a big line because out here in Toronto, all the malls are closed, all the stores are closed, like everything's closed because of COVID. We're considered red zone out here. So I had to go to another city, which is like 40 minutes away, but I had to go because it's worth it for the candles. So the first candle I got is from the aromatherapy line, and this is called Relax. And guys, this is lavender and cedarwood, and the smell is to die for. Picture an essential oil bottle of lavender. It smells just like this because this does have natural essential oils. So it literally smells like lavender essential oil on 100. Like, it smells amazing. And when I smell this, all I'm picturing is like getting a massage with lavender essential oil on my back, and then like being in the bathtub, being at the spa. Like, that's what I'm envisioning, like super relaxed. So I had to pick one of these up because a girl needs to relax sometimes. So I'm going to keep this in like my bathroom whenever I'm taking a bath, or I'm going to put it by my bed sometimes when I'm just like trying to relax after a long day. So this is key. And of course I had to pick up another one, but this I'm actually going to give to my mom. So I'm going to keep one for myself, give one to my mom, because my mom just loves candles too. And I feel like this relax vibe is for everybody. So you guys need to pick this up. It's just, guys, it's just heaven. It's heaven sent. It's just great. So this is another candle from the aromatherapy line. And guys, I'm a fan of the aromatherapy line because it gives me spa vibes, but for a cheap price. The spa at home, basically. So I love this line, and the line has 4 candles. It has the Relax, it has this one, which is Comfort, and it has 2 stress relief ones. So the Comfort one I absolutely love because it has vanilla and patchouli. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Patchouli in it. And if you guys know me, I love vanilla, I love sweet scents, but this one, it's not overbearing. It's not like very, very sweet, like caramel, like, you know, like caramel swirl and all of those are like super sweet. This is more on the mild sweet, so not overbearing, but it does have like a musky scent to it, like a men cologne. That's what it reminds me of. It reminds me of like men cologne with a dash of vanilla. And I don't know about you, but that smells amazing. And I just die. When this is lit, I just die. Like, I love this. I like to light this whenever I'm like in work mode, whenever I'm like editing videos or like working on a makeup look or like just doing like my own work stuff. I love to light this because I just feel like this just gets my brain going. It just keeps me on track. So this is a holiday candle, and it's Merry Cookie. And when I saw this sitting on the shelf, I fell in love with the packaging. That was the first thing because I'm a sucker for packaging. It's so cute. It's all white with like gold flakes all over. And then it has like a little house with a little squirrel hanging something on it and Christmas trees, and just, it's cute. This is like a whole Christmas vibe. So the packaging is the first thing that sold me. And when I saw Merry Cookie, I was like, okay, this might be it, because I love sweet, guys. Like, I like sweet scents on 100. Like, I love overbearingly sweet. So this is amazing. It smells so sweet. It kind of smells like caramel, like a caramel drink, just a caramel syrup. That's what it smells like. Yeah, it smells like caramel syrup. It's so sweet, but I'm gonna keep it real with you guys, and I bought 2 of them, and I already lit the other one because I couldn't wait. Like, as soon as I got home, I lit it. And I will say it's not as potent as I wanted it to be. Most of the Bath & Body candles that I get are super potent. I can smell it from like the other room. And this one, I would say it's not as potent. It doesn't smell as strong as when you smell it like this. I would say it's very soft. It's sweet, but not overbearingly sweet. And I love overbearingly sweet. Like, I need to smell sweet on 100. So to me, this isn't sweet enough when it's lit. But if you guys like sweet and you don't want it to be super strong or super overbearing, this is the one for you. You will like this. This is Berry Spritzer. And another thing about me is with candles, I love sweet candles like caramel, vanilla, coconut, but blueberry is like my absolute favorite as well. I would actually say blueberry is like my #1 favorite scent with candles. And if you guys shop at Bath & Body Works often, I'm sure you guys have seen the blueberry pie and the blueberry pancakes. Those 2 are amazing, especially blueberry pie. It's to die for, but they're out of season. So I picked up this one. This is the Berry Spritzer, and packaging again, super cute, super cute. I love the blue with the gold. And this one is amazing as well. I'm gonna tell you guys, every candle is amazing because they really are. And this one, the blueberry really hits. Like, the blueberry hits. It's so strong, but it also smells like sugar. So it kind of gives me like a blueberry candy vibe. That's what it reminds me of, like blueberry candy. It just smells so good. And for some reason, it just reminds me of my childhood, because when I was a kid, I'd always be going to like the convenience store to get candy and stuff like that with my friends. And this just kind of brings me back to it. It kind of just smells like blueberry candy. So I love this. I'm so excited to light this. And of course, I had to buy another one because it's that good. And I know that when I have candles that I really like, my boyfriend always goes and steals them from me. So when it comes to like my favorite ones, I always pick up 2, because if he takes one, I'm just like, whatever, I have another one. So this is probably going to be his. Okay, this one's another sweet candle, and this is a banana walnut muffin. And guys, it smells exactly like what it's called. It smells like a banana walnut muffin. So think about the banana nut muffin from Tim Hortons. That's what it smells like, but on 100 and sweeter. Like, it smells so good. It smells like a homemade banana muffin, banana bread. Like, it just smells so, so good. Let's talk about the packaging. The packaging is super cute, super sleek. I love very modern and very sleek. So the packaging, I'm here for it. Like, I am here for this. I want this like in my room. I want this in my house because it just looks super like luxurious. Love it. Now, the smell. This is the mahogany teak wood high intensity, not regular mahogany teak wood, because they do have a regular one, but this is high intensity because we want everything on 100 and we want everything super strong around here. And this one, girl, this just smells like your man got out the shower, like freshly showered, put some cologne on, put some lotion on, like smelling like a snack. This is what it smells like. And it smells so good. It kind of reminds me of the Dior Sauvage cologne for men. That's what it smells like. And that cologne, girl, hits me every time. Really wanted to get this more for like that modern home scent, very like clean, elegant, prestige. When you come over, you're like, ooh, where am I? Kim's house? Like that kind of vibe. This smells expensive. Like, I'm telling you, if you walk in and you smell this, you're gonna like think like expensive, luxurious. So guys, I would recommend this for your home. I would totally recommend this. Please pick this up because it's a game changer. So the last candle is my favorite candle, like my absolute favorite of all time. There's no replacing her, and it is the strawberry pound cake candle. Guys, you need to go into Bath & Body tomorrow and pick this up. Like, this is the first candle I want you guys to pick up because this is amazing. It smells so good. Like, you don't even know. And I don't know where I've been all this time because I've never seen this before or smelt it. And I've been missing out because this is just on a whole other level. Like, I can't. It smells like strawberries dipped in caramel sauce. Like, it's just such a good combination. It smells delicious. Like, I want to like eat this candle. This just really hits. Like, this really hits, guys, and you need this. Like, It's the perfect mixture of fruity but sweet at the same time. And it's just, this is just it. And of course, you already know when I like a candle, I pick up two. So I picked up another one, and this is just the same one, but in another packaging. This is still strawberry pound cake, but they're just in different packaging. And I love that Bath & Body does that because I can switch it up. Hold on. It just changes up the vibe, so I love this. So that's the end of my candle haul, and guys, if I had to choose two candles that are like my absolute favorite, it's gonna be the strawberry pound cake, like #1, and I would say the aromatherapy vanilla. These two are my absolute favorites, and I need you guys to pick this up as soon as you go in Bath & Body. Like, these are the two I need you guys to grab. No questions asked, just grab these. Like, they're so good. So I'm so happy with these. These are like my babies now. So I love these. But the sale is still on. So you guys still can go get the candles for the $11.95 price up until tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day. So guys, I urge you, pick up the candles because they're just so good. And they're so cheap. Like $11.95 for a candle. Like, come on, they only do that once a year. So this is the time to stock up on candles. And I hope this video was helpful to you guys. You guys have an idea of what scents you're looking out for. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see next. I'm actually about to go light this candle right now and binge watch the Selena series. Have you guys seen it? It just came out on Netflix, and I am so excited to start because I love Selena. Like, that's my girl. So I am so excited to start that series. So that's what I'm about to do, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.